Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and to this short video. It's not gonna be a long video, just unboxing and my first impressions about DJI RS3 Mini. I've been using the older, bigger, broader for a while, and the biggest issue for me is the weight of the device. It's really heavy. I have a heavy setup and the weight is the biggest issue. That's why I want to give the smaller, broader a chance, and let's see what it's capable of. For sure I'm gonna have a detailed video what it's capable of, and if it's better to keep the older, broader with the higher weight or switch to smaller, lighter RS3 Mini. And what is my first impression? It's typical DJI. It has a good quality, it's small, it's lighter than the RS3. But sometimes I have the feeling that the weight is too much for this small gimbal. And it doesn't have the lock functionality, and you cannot connect Raven Eye to this gimbal. I'm gonna think about it a couple of days and compare the both gimbals. If you don't want to miss the next video, you can subscribe. Thank you.